Ubebambe njengongqongqoshe wezempilo uthi ucwaningo lwezesayensi likhomba ukuthi liphansi izinga lokudlulisa iCovid-19 kulabo abasuke sebegomile nokuthi izinga lokuvikeleka kwabagomile liphezulu. Ngaleyo ndlela kumqoka kusabalalisa umbhidlango wokugoma zonke izakhamuzi, ingakho sekuzoqala izakhamuzi nezineminyaka engama-50 kuya phezulu kwezokwethwasa.
I'm pleased also to announce that the IMC on vaccine approved that from the 1st of July 2021, we will open registrations for all citizens which are between the ages of 50 years and above, and we will also schedule those vaccinations to begin on the 15th of July.
Ujobelela ngokuthi njengoba sesihlasele isombe sesithathu salolu bhubhane eGauteng, uma ezinye izifundazwe zidembesela akusenze ukuzatshwala nazo zibhekane nalesombe.
We are saying to the provinces, other provinces, that they should not have a sense of complacency, because what we are seeing in terms of the numbers, there's a demonstration of an upward trajectory, and it is inevitable that the wave in Gauteng will spill over into the rest of the country.
Ungqongqoshe wezisebenzi zikahulumeni nokuphathwa kwazo uthi bagculisekile ngesibalo sezisebenzi zezempilo nothisha asebegonyelwe okusho ukwethenjwa kwemigomo ye-COVID-19.
We are hoping that everybody acknowledges that the myth of that has been spread about vaccines has by and large subsided, and it's clear now that we all as a nation are convinced that this is the only decisive step that we can take against the pandemic, against the virus itself.
Isigabeni sesithathu sokugoma kulindeleke ukuthi Pfizer ihlinzeke ngemigomo engu-15.5 million kanti izolokusihlwa kutheleke engu-1.2 million ye-Johnson & Johnson. Kuze kube manje sezingu-2,550,248 zakhamuzi esezigonyelwe i-COVID-19 ezweni lonke.